choosing an industrial gateway can be tricky. You want strong performance, easy operation, and support for multiple industrial protocols, all at once. Today, we're unboxing the new Forlinx FCU1501 Embedded Control Unit, designed for power systems, industrial automation, and rail transportation. Let's start with the outlook. Industry-grade reliability with compact size. Fanless cooling design. -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius for harsh environments. It offers vertical mounting, DIN rail, and flat mounting, 3 options for installation. One person can quickly install it inside a control cabinet, saving a lot of time on site. Now, let's check the interfaces. 2 fast Ethernet ports. 1 USB 2.0. 1 Type-C debug port. 8 LED indicators. 2 CAN FD. 8 RS485. 2 RS232, shared with RS485. 8 DI and 8 DO. Dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and optional 4G. On the top, there are antenna connectors, a wide 936V power input, a nano SIM slot, and a reset button. Inside, it includes a buzzer, battery-backed RTC, real-time clock, and watchdog. For performance, it runs on the Rockchip RK3506J, a triple-core Cortex-A7 at 1.5 GHz. On the software side, it introduces a dual auto-start design. The system and user applications start independently, so updating your application won't affect system stability. There's also a protection mechanism to keep your program running reliably. In terms of protocols, it supports MQTT, Modbus, NTP, and more. Plus, it now features a web-based management interface, no special tools needed. You can configure and monitor the device directly from your browser, which makes maintenance much easier.